Hello and welcome to Ajay's Romani Guru. I'm Clara, and in today's commodity analysis, we are focusing on the significant closing weakness observed in the crude palm oil futures market. On Friday, 12th December, the weakness that gripped Malaysian crude palm oil, or CPO, futures at midday intensified right up to the close, causing the market to settle sharply lower. This decline was primarily driven by persistently soft signals emanating from the Dalian market, a general easing in the global vegetable oil sentiment, and increasing near-term anxiety over rising inventory levels. The benchmark February 2026 CPO contract on the Bursa Malaysia Derivatives, or BMD, closed at 4,018 ringgit, representing a sharp drop of 45 ringgit, or 1.11%, from its previous close. This selling pressure was broad, extending across the forward curve. The January 2026 contract finished at 4,002 ringgit, and the March 2026 contract closed at 4,027 ringgit. The downward pressure was magnified by significant weakness from the Dalian Commodity Exchange in China, a key price setter for the region. DCE soil for January 2026 settled lower at 8,240 yuan, while DCE palm oil saw an even steeper decline, closing at 8,608 yuan. This persistent softness clearly indicates sluggish demand within China's edible oil sector. The broader global vegetable oil complex offered no support. CPO soil for January 2026 closed down at 50.65 cents, reinforcing the bearish sentiment. Palm oil's own weakness is now impacting rival oils as the market grapples with a supply-side overhang caused by better-than-expected production figures in early December coupled with slow export momentum. The marginal improvement seen in forward basis pricing for South American soil suggests that buying remains cautious and only occurs at lower price levels. On the fundamental front, traders are actively pricing in the strong possibility of another inventory buildup for the month of December. This expectation stems from robust production levels observed early in the month, even as the market enters its lean production season, coupled with consistently lethargic export activity. This continued inventory concern prevented any meaningful recovery attempt toward the end of the trading day. The energy markets, which often provide a lift, failed to do so today. WTI February crude oil traded around $57.45 per barrel, with Brent February near $61.28. While crude showed a minor uptick, it was simply not enough to counteract the bearish mood in the vegetable oil sector. Furthermore, the Malaysian ringgit remained firm against the US dollar, trading near 4.10, which placed slight pressure on the country's export competitiveness. The CPO soil BMD CPO spread widened to approximately $136.45 per ton, clearly illustrating palm oil's underperformance relative to soil during the session. A significant move is anticipated in the crude palm oil market in the coming month. Will it be an upward trend or a decline? Contact us for advanced analysis. The number is available on the screen and in the description.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका,
पटल पोस्तो और शोशे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।